Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Google Chat. Now let's get started. First, if you wanna have a Google Chat, you can download first. If your handphone is an Android, so you just click on the download at a Play Store. But if your upon its iPhone, so you just click on the um, store apps. Now let's get started. First, after you download, so you just click on the open. You can open your Google Chat, and after this, if you wanna start with a new chat, so you just click on the new chat, this one. And after this, in here you can add a person or space. In here I want to add a person, so you just click your, or you can search the email your friends, this one, just click on it. And in here you can go to this one for send a text, maybe hello, okay, and send. And after this you can waiting until your friend it's sending feedback for you. So that's how to use a Google Chat. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.